welcome to my studio. Today we're gonna show you this torch pour, and later on I'm gonna show you how to do the fish. I hope you like seeing the enhancements. I'm gonna bring you even more, so please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you receive a notification when I add videos. Right now I'm trying to add 30 videos because I'm trying to kick that algorithm that YouTube have and need to post 30 videos in 30 days. So that's why you're receiving videos daily, but normally I will not be doing daily just because I'm doing that 30 videos for 30 days. But I hope you like this video. It started with a failed pour that I scrapped and started all over, and I just love it. So stay tuned to watch the Dutch pour and subscribe so you know when I add the fishy. So the canvas is 12 inches by 12 inches, and please wish me luck. Wish me luck because I am inventing in here. So let's start with the copper. And I'm gonna put the black on top. I am inventing in here, so I don't know if this is going to work. You know me, I like inventing. And I'm gonna start putting this. And it is very heavy. I hope I can do it correctly. Okay, that was not what I was expecting, but we'll bring the torch and see what happens. Torch it again. This is a cup, and I'm putting this in there, and whatever is left in here, and there's not too much left, I'm gonna put in that cup. Well, you know, guys, I like to fix things, and I have that failed experiment that I just showed you. What can I do to fix it? I'm just gonna try to blow something on top of it. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. So this is Artist Loft Green Yellow, Sennelier Blue Indigo, Pebeo Irridescent Blue Green, Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet, and Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet Light. And let's bring the fail pour. Okay, so this is the fail pour, and I'm just going to put a layer of black on top and spread it. that section in there.